Basic sorting techniques, selection sort. First, we pass a string of characters into the array A, then the number of characters into the integer n. Then we declare the integers min, j, and k, and the character holder car. Next, we start the for loop with j equals to 0, increments up to n. We set min equals to j, and we start an inner for loop with k initialized to j, incrementing up to n. While incrementing, we compare the current character in k with the character in min. If the character in k is smaller, then we assign min to k. In this case, I is smaller than m, hence we assign min to k. Next, x is bigger than I, so we don't do anything. Then e is smaller than I, so we pass min to k. d is smaller than e, so we pass min to k. Once k reaches n, the inner loop terminates. We set car to copy the character held by min. Then we copy the character in j into the position of min. Then the character in car is copied into the position of j. In this way, we have swapped the character in min and the character in j. We continue to print out the integer held in j and the current value of a. Next, we increment j. Note that we have selected the smallest letter from the string and put it in front, which means we don't have to consider that letter after this. That's why j starts from this position. Min is then set to j. K is initialized to j and increments up to n. While k is incrementing, we compare the character in k and the character in min. If the character k is smaller, we assign min to k. The loop comes to an end when k reaches n. Then we swap the characters between min and j. We continue to print out the integer held in j and the current value of a. Next, we increment j. So you see d and e are put in front, which means the sorting operation later will not involve them. Min is then set to j. The k loop starts from j and increments up to n. Whenever the k character is smaller than the min character, min is set to k. The loop ends when it reaches n. Then we swap the characters in min and j. Then we print out the value of j and a. Similarly, we repeat the whole process until j reaches n. By the time j finishes incrementing up to n, the string is finally sorted.